Hello everyone, I'm back and this time from a completely different part of the world. I am live from Madrid in Spain. I'm traveling to the island of Tenerife. This is for an internship that I got about 2 years back, but because of COVID it kept getting delayed. So this is an internship about volcanology and science communication. That's what I'll be learning in the next few weeks. First I had a flight from Delhi to Abu Dhabi to Madrid, where I'm right now, and then I'll be taking the final flight to Tenerife. This is what it looks like. Madrid Airport, Terminal 2. Waiting for my flight now. Fun to go against the crowd.
There's one in the north again, just right in the mountain.
Hello everyone, so I'm finally here in Tenerife and I can't wait to show you what a beautiful sight lies ahead of me. So this is the island of Tenerife from the headquarters of GeoTenerife, the place that I'm interning with. Oops, there are quite a few lizards and stuff, but this is what it looks like. The Atlantic Ocean in the distance and all of these volcanic cones that you see here. We'll be learning a lot more about these in the coming days, and for now this is our headquarters. This is where we are staying. Beautiful place with a swimming pool. Just can't get enough of this view out here.
It's never
Hello everyone, it's day 2 in sunny Tenerife, and today being a Sunday, our plan is to go to the beach and we'll be chilling there for the entire day. There's a lot of people over here and I just can't tell you how amazing the experience has been so far. This is the pool over here. Yesterday night we were here and the view at night from inside the pool, wow, it's just too good. We are headed to the beach now and I'll keep you updated from there. Alright. Alright, so we are at the beach now and this is what it looks like.
I'm not bothered of sorry mate. I'm not particularly bothered about the camera, it should give you a free hand. Yeah, this is like these first and then
So here we are. Quite beautiful. It's very difficult to walk on the sand. And here we are, close to the Atlantic Ocean. So many people over here. This is what it looks like. That's our group, all the GeoInterns out there. And yep, that's the beach for you. I don't really know the name of the beach over here, but there's Los Cristianos and Los Americanos. on the left or the right, I'm not very sure. And yeah, a brilliant weather, loving it over here. So come on, give me some content, guys.
Oh, nice.
They're getting very aggressive.
More.
Everybody here, African show, Africana. Hey, choo 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 choo.
Lucy! Oh, my bad.
And you got that on film now.
Oh, you're not gonna believe me. My moisturizing cream, like the brand name is GeoTenerife. I love it. It's great.
So it's 6:30 in the evening and the sun is still high up. After a long day at the beach, we were just, sitting over here, and this is what the entire place looks like.
Can we borrow this?
I think he might have toned down a little bit. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
I mean, there's no point of going there. Hello, Gem. Is that like a special scooter or something?
It's a fancy scooter, yeah.
Fancy.
Expensive.
Mm-hmm.
The Vespa.
We're filming everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going shopping. We're buying lots of things. Lots of things. Hats, not this, but those.
There.
And then lava pearls.
That's for you.
Oh yay! Oh, it's cute.